Hello everybody, it is Davel. It is Thursday afternoon here in Istanbul, and I'm at the Istanbul International Airport, flying back home today, flying back to LAX. It's going to be about a 13.5 to 14-hour flight. Just wanted to say hi to everybody and reflect on this trip. It was amazing. Turkey is a beautiful country. Everybody should definitely check it out, and certainly explore it. Istanbul is a really fantastic city too. It's so gorgeous. Everybody's really nice. The food is terrific if you're a foodie like I am, and there's a lot of historical sites to see, from the Ottoman, Greek, and Roman empires. So you get a lot of good culture, and you really definitely get to see history up close and everything. So anyway, so I want to just say thanks again for liking all my videos and pictures, and I really appreciate it. Just want to give you guys a quick little 360 here of the Istanbul Airport that I'm looking at right now. And truthfully, folks, this airport is really amazing, and it really blows away anything we have in the United States. It makes LAX, JFK, Chicago O'Hare just look like third world airports. I mean, being brutally honest here, our governing bodies and all that, but local, state, and federal level should be paying attention and building airports like this, where it is just really incredible, and certainly first-rate, first-class facilities, and it's just so easy to get in and out of security, passport control, and all that. So right now I'm going to be heading up to the lounge here. I got about 2.5 hours before my flight, so so I'm going to just have a little break and eat some food, and then head on over to the gate. So all right, well, this is Davel signing off here from Istanbul International Airport, and I'm flying back to LAX on Turkish Airlines, which is going to be a very grueling flight of about 13.5 to 14 hours. So but it's going to be kind of not fun being tied up there in coach, I guess, or wherever it is that I'm flying in. So but anyway, hope everybody's well, and just looking forward to heading back home here and being in sunny California soon. So there's the line there to check into the lounge, you can imagine. So this is going to be fun. All right, I will talk with you guys soon. Bye-bye.